How to fix Steam not opening in your Windows 10 or 11, right? So if it is not working, then you're facing some kind of error. So make sure Steam is always running in the background, right? So if I just double tap on it, you can see my Steam will come up here. So if it is not opening, then what you have to do, just click on your drop down and make sure you just exit Steam, right? So I will just click on exit now. By the way, if you're not able to find this option, just right click on your taskbar. You will get this option of task manager, and once you are into the task manager, you can search for Steam, right? And then you can just close it. For now my Steam is already closed, that's why it will not show you here. Now what you have to do, as you can see here, this is my Steam. I will just right click on it. I will get an option of run as administrator, so just click on it and now tap on yes, and it will take a very few seconds of your time and it will get open, right? And now it's open, right? So these are the ways which you can just figure out and just open your Steam. But if you're still facing this issue, then what you have to do, you have to reinstall your Steam app, right, application over your Windows 10 or 11. So these are the three solutions which you can apply over, and definitely it will fix a problem. I hope you found this video very useful. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.